Hello dear friends, my name is Yuri. In this video I will share with you biggest mistakes which we can do on real account, real 160,000 account, because few weeks ago one trader wrote to me and asked for help. I want to share with you what mistake he have done and how you can avoid that mistakes. That's why listen carefully, push like, write a comment, share this video with your friend, and let's go. First, I want to show you this account. It is, as you see, it's Muhammad account. As you see, I cannot trade here. He sent to me login and investor password, and I want to show it to you. Take a look, my friends. Here is 164,000 on account, and at this moment negative fluctuation loss is 142,000. Take a look on his positions. I want to show to you his positions, and that will help you understand what's going on. Take a look here. So many sells, sell. It is an example for you why it's important to use stop losses. First biggest mistakes which he have done, it is he didn't use stop losses. Why it's important and use stop losses? Sometimes we can be wrong, and market will punish us for that. That's why use stop losses. Second, his biggest mistake was he didn't use proper risk management. In every position, I put some money which I can lose. For example, I have different risk per position. For example, on some account, my risk per position at this moment is 650 USD, and if price hit my stop loss, I just stop and go to another position and find another position where I can recover. That's all. But that's what can happen with you if you will think that market always will need to come back. You need to understand market doesn't belong to you or to someone else, and the market can do what market wants to do. Take a look on his biggest loss. Biggest loss is 67,000. Oh my god, it is this two lots which he opened here. Just imagine, he opened it here in this area. It's 60. Oh my god, so many mistakes. It's really, friends, so many mistakes. And also that also Muhammad told me when I spoke with him that these positions he didn't open personally. He gave his account into money management. But friends, what can happen with you, with your money, if you don't work with professionals and you don't work with really professional stuff? First, you need to understand if you cooperate with some trader, you need to use risk manager. What is a risk manager? It is a software which works 24/7 and which can save your account from losses. Here is an example of risk manager. How it works? You set risk per position, you set risk per day, and that advisor, for example, you set a limit 2% risk per day. If your account goes to that area, all entries stops and you stop trading. You need to understand, do not hurry up with trading. And fourth biggest mistake which he have done is he didn't study how to trade properly. He just opened a position, he just gave money to someone else. That's example for you what can happen with you if you don't invest in your education and your future. Friends, hope this lesson was useful for you. Don't do such mistakes. Study, First, what you need to learn money management. Even if you are investor, you need to learn risk management. Even if you're an investor or a trader, you need to learn best strategy where you can have low risk and potential reward in many times bigger. You need to learn how to cut losses and how to set proper stop losses. Only in that case you have a potential for a growth. Friends, thank you for your time. If you think this video is useful, push like, share it with your friends, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and have a good day. Bye.